Hey everyone, welcome back to Crafting with Siser. Today I want to show you something really cool that you can easily make at home using the Siser Juliet. Now you've seen from our previous videos already the how long, how wide and how small the Juliet can cut. Today I'm going to be showing you how tough it can cut. Now to show this, I'm going to be using this 1.5mm whiteboard laminated magnet sheet. Now this magnet sheet is so stiff and so hard that you can chop bananas with it. You can mash bananas with it.
Ashu, that's my banana.
So anyways, with the help of a desktop inkjet printer and using the print and cut function of the Juliet, you can print your designs on an A4 sticker sheet, apply it onto the magnet sheet, and all that's left to do is for the Juliet to cut it out. Okay, so now the sticker has been pasted onto the magnet sheet and we're going to load it into the Juliet. Now I'm selecting cutting contours and send to cutter. So there you have it. You can now easily create your own fridge magnets at home using the Siser Juliet. If you like the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, follow us on our social medias, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye!